Clean. This one's clean. Just use your hand. Rub your hand around on it, around the screws. Rub your hand around it, get it around the screws real good. You could use rubber gloves. Okay. Don't leave it too long because it's press board. Okay, hard to do here. Holding it in my holding it in my neck under my chin. That's not gonna work. So wash it off. Wash it off. What happened to my camera? Back to small. Jeepers creepers. Okay, back to small. Anyway, that there you go. It's all clean on the back now. And dip that in. Don't soak them too much because they're just like cardboard. Okay, take it out. Fresh water bucket. Fresh water bucket. Fresh water bucket. Okay. Clean towel. Clean towel. Yeah, there's the clean towel. Okay, got that kind of dried off there. That's all cleaned up and shiny. Looking good. Okay. Alright. There's another clean one. Put some paint on it. Clean this one here. Okay, and maybe we'll just do it this way. Uh-oh, it's kind of gooped up again. Hold on, we got it. Sometimes you gotta put some elbow grease in it. Okay. Look how black that is. Hard to hold this, like I said. Having some holding trouble. So hold on, bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, good enough. They're hold. Not all coming off, or the paint's coming off, I don't know. Okay. Clean water. Wash it off. Both sides. Dry it off. Dry it off, dry it off. Drying it off. Drying it off. Leaving some dirt and grime. Dry off the brass. Polish the brass. Wipe that off a little better. Okay. That's about it. I got 2 more to do and that's it. Uh-oh, camera went upside down. 2 more to do and that's it.